Ready. Start. Government of Gujarat that the respondents herein were initially appointed for a period of 11 months in the year 2004 to the post of drivers. On closure of the project in which the respondents were appointed, instead of terminating the service of the respondents herein, the state government took a decision to place them in the service of Indian Red Cross Society instead of joining the duties in the Indian Red Cross Society. The respondents approached the High Court by filing writ petition number 7328 2011 for regularization of their services and absorption in government service. The original writ petitioner also challenged their placement with the Indian Red Cross Society. The learned single judge wide order dated 25 November 2011 dismissed the said writ petition by observing that the appointment of the original writ petitioners was only for 11 months on a fixed salary which has been continued from time to time, and the unit in which they were appointed temporarily was a project implementation unit only for the purpose of rehabilitation pursuant to the earthquake for the post earthquake redevelopment program, and they were not regularly appointed on any permanent sanctioned posts in any establishment of the government where the writ petitioners have any line. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the order passed by the learned single judge dismissing the writ petition, the respondents herein original writ petitioners preferred LPA number 2082 2011 before the division bench of the High Court by an interim order dated 20 December 2011. Respondents herein were continued in service with the state government, and they were not even transferred to the Indian Red Cross Society. The said LPA came up for hearing before the division bench in the year 2021. Before the division bench, it was submitted on behalf of the respondents herein original writ petitioners that as they have been continuously working in the government departments and they have not been transferred to Indian Red Cross Society, and since they have by now working for 17 years, the government may be directed to consider the case for regularization in the service as long period has passed by the impugned judgment and order. The division bench of the High Court has directed the State Department to consider the cases of the respondents herein for absorption and regularization sympathetically and if necessary by creating supernumerary courts solely on the ground that the respondents herein original writ petition by now have worked for 17 years, feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order passed by the division bench of the High Court, the state has preferred the present appeal.